wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z, from east to west, I'm Hannah! And welcome back to Dream Again! Oh no! I was going to teach you today about, how to teach you lessons to our dog, but Shiva left the building. Let me see if I can get her back. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere, kids. Bye! Kids, I'm back again, and I got some dog treats. Shiva's sitting, laying down. Shiva, sit. There she is. Nice doggy. Okay, give me paw. That didn't work. Okay, wait, hold on. Sit pretty. Shiva, sit pretty? She's not doing anything. Maybe Olivia can help.
Today I'm here with Fluffy. Yeah, we're going to teach you guys some cool stuff. And guess how we're going to teach you cool stuff? We're going to teach you cool stuff by teaching Fluffy cool stuff. Yeah, let me see. Fluffy's got a big ear. He's so fluffy. Oh, there you are, Fluffy. Yeah, so today, guys, we're going to show you how we do a training session with Fluffy. Yeah. What? Fluffy. But you like training. Oh, are you sleeping? Well, first I'll tell the kids how we do training. And then I'm going to make you get up and do training. So, kids, this is very important. Even on the days when your dog doesn't want to train, you should train your dog every day anyways. Yep. If you do just maybe 5 minutes a day, it goes a long way. And most of the time, once you start going, your dog won't want to stop because it's so much fun and they get treats. So it's really good. So today, Fluffy, you can't sneak away. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to start out with, let's do an easy one. Fluffy, do you want a treat? Treat? Yeah. Okay, can you sit pretty? Good boy. Now here's a treat. Good. See? And your dog really likes getting treats, and it's a good idea to do tricks more than once sometimes or in different orders. Fluffy, this one could get you excited. Fluffy, can you speak? Speak. Good. Here's a treat. All right, and Fluffy, speak. Good boy. Now, quiet. Good, quiet. Good boy. Here's a treat. Good boy. Oh, Fluffy, can you? Oh, what ones do you guys like the most? I think it's really funny when dogs pretend like they're dead. It's really funny. So, Fluffy, can you play dead? Yeah. See that? No, Fluffy, play dead. Good, stay. No, Fluffy. And if your dog... Oh, Fluffy, you're so silly. Fluffy's so silly sometimes. Yeah. Oh. Fluffy, wait, I didn't say. Okay, so if your dog does a trick, but then stops doing it before you say, then you don't give him the treat, and you just wait 1 minute before you give him the treat. Fluffy, come. Good boy, good, come. Okay, Fluffy, play dead. Good boy, here you go. Yeah, and if they do the trick right, but they have a hard time with that one, it's good to give them the treat right away so that they learn it. Fluffy, can you do roll over? See, here he's trying really, really hard, but he's not sure what to do. Here, get a treat. Okay, now Fluffy. So go play dead. And now roll over. Good boy, good Fluffy, good roll over, good boy. Here you go, get a treat. Here's a treat. Good boy, yeah. Good boy, good Fluffy. Yeah. Yeah, and you want to know what else is good about training your dog? You can also train things that help you take care of them. So like, I can do this and go, Fluffy, let me touch your mouth. See? Good, and here's a treat. See, I'm getting Fluffy to let me touch his mouth like that. That helps for when we brush his teeth. Yep. Good. Here's a treat. Good boy, Fluffy. And, oh, let's do, can you shake? Can you shake my hand? Yes. Good boy. Yeah, and then we can teach them to shake. Here's a treat. Good boy. And that's how we get them to say hello to people. Oh, we can also do, Fluffy, can you do high five? Woo, good job. Good Fluffy. Here's a treat. And good boy, Fluffy. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah. Now Fluffy's gonna take a nap. I would love it if you guys would maybe send me a video or a story where you tell me about the tricks you do with your dogs so I can learn even more tricks to do with Fluffy, because Fluffy's really, really smart. He needs a little practice, but that's because I haven't been training him every single day. And I know I've got to keep doing it every single time. Have Fluffy. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy, Fluffy. Aw. Okay. All right, kids. Well, thank you guys for coming. Yeah. Thank you so much. And have fun and say hi to your dogs and take them on a walk and do some training with them, okay? All right. Thanks. Bye. Bye. Woof, woof. Good boy, Fluffy. Yeah, I think I'm going to take a nap with you.
Kids, did you learn how to train your dog? Look. Okay. Hold on. Sit pretty. Diva, sit pretty. Come here. Come. Sit pretty. Kids, I think I need to train more with my dog. I guess that's it. You try this at home, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Shiva. Shake. Yeah, good girl. I guess she just ate all my treats. Okay, you can go now. Okay. Lay down. Sit. Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Yeah. So kids, training a dog takes a lot of hard work and a lot of patience. When you do this at home, make sure you try to train your dog for 10 minutes each day. And be patient with your dog, because it just takes time. As you saw, Olivia works very, very hard with Fluffy. And I need to work a little bit harder with Shiva. So make sure you do that, try it out, and have a lot of fun with it too. Okay, bye!
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us. Thanks!